This is the second installment in a three-part series about how to meet clients on Facebook. And this is how to sign clients on Facebook who need follow-up. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, online coaching, and self-study courses. Practicing law should be enough, but now you basically need to be a marketing specialist. That's why I'm here, because I know that even going to an Ivy League school for an MBA isn't going to get you the information that I'm giving you today in this video. So what's in this 3-part series? In the first video, I talked about Facebook ad strategy when your potential clients are in an urgent frame of mind and they're ready to sign. This video is about a Facebook ad strategy for following up with those who are on the fence. And next in this series will be Facebook ad video strategy, because your videos need a strategy that's actually going to work. Not all videos work on Facebook. Okay, now in this series, we're going deep into the cheapest way I've learned to get clients on Facebook for law firms today. And at the end, like with last week's post, I'm offering you a new discount code only available until July 17th for my course that will walk you through all of this step by step. In the last video, which I'll link around here somewhere, I outlined what I call strategy 1, how to sign clients who are aware they need a lawyer, but they definitely feel like it's urgent. Those guys are ready to sign. So what will you get today? You'll understand a method for following up that works for most practice areas. With most practice areas, your potential clients will need some educating and some help to get off the fence in order to hire you. There's a lot they don't know about what you do, and this is the good news, because all of that experience that you've gotten can become usable content for bringing in new clients. Like all strategies, telling you the strategy is going to be a lot easier than carrying it out. It is a lot of work. And do not forget that both of the strategies I'm outlining in this 3-part series, you can't post just any video content. So I'll talk about video in part 3. So let's jump in now to strategy 2, how to sign clients who are on Facebook, but they need a lot of follow-up. And why do I keep adding that little symbol at the end of the word up? Well, I just can't help adding that little symbol, because in music, that's a repeat sign. We use it when we want to repeat the chorus or a verse. And when I say follow-up, you should repeat the follow-up process at least 17 times. Okay, let's jump in. Write one ebook. You're going to write an ebook titled something like The Top 10 Reasons Experience Matters When Hiring a Personal Injury Lawyer. Film follow-up videos. Run your initial ad and follow-up ads on your Facebook business page. Your ads will offer the free ebook in exchange for their phone number and email address. It should be set up so that the email goes to them immediately with the ebook, and you also want to call them right back. Have you ever done a marketing course or hired an agency or a person to work for your law firm and it didn't do anything? I want to show you something different, cheaper, and just better. This works for my clients and others like them with similar practice areas. Why? You can flip it on and off as needed. You can test it. It's scalable and it works 24/7. You are so lucky compared to law firms that came before you. You have the gift of these platforms and you're practicing law in 2022. How much would you pay for a new client? When you get referrals, you pay the referring firm 1/3, at least in California. If you're in a major city, you pay a legal marketing director $6,361 monthly. And most legal marketing agencies don't cost less than $3,000 monthly with a commitment. But my masterclass, where you'll learn to get clients for years to come yourself, is a one-time price of $998 for the keys to the castle. And I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step. I'm offering you today a special flash sale for my masterclass, How to Create Facebook Ads for Law Firms, step-by-step Facebook interface walkthrough, for 3 days only. I call this my masterclass because it's truly cornerstone content for any law firm who needs a steady flow of new clients. Your coupon code offers you 40% off your order at checkout, and it's expiring at the end of this weekend. There's over 12,800 of you taking in my content these days. Thank you. But I'm only making 10 coupon codes available. Begin building yourself a Facebook ads machine that will work for you for years to come. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the masterclass.